Welcome back to Two Legit Reviews, where we cut through the marketing stuff and give you the real story on products you're actually thinking about buying. Today we're looking at a piece of home gym equipment that over 10,000 reviewers say gets the job done. This is the FF Finder for multifunctional weight bench. It's an all-in-one home gym bench that handles bench press, back extensions, Roman chair work, sit-ups, and a whole lot more, all for $169.99. Just a heads up, product links in this video are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission at zero cost to you. Here's the thing about building a home gym. You start with a bench, then you need a back extension station, then a Roman chair, then summer for ab work. Before you know it, your spare room looks like a commercial gym and your wallet is empty. What if one piece of equipment could replace all of that? This is exactly what the FF Finder Form Bench promises. It's a multifunctional adjustable bench that covers flat, incline and decline pressing, plus back extensions, Roman chair exercises, and sit-ups. One bench, 6 different exercise stations, and it folds up for storage when you're done. This bench is built for people who want a real workout at home without spending thousands or dedicating an entire room. If you've got a set of dumbbells in a corner of your living room, this fills in the rest. It's not trained to be commercial gym equipment, and that's actually its strength. The construction uses high-grade steel with a triangular base for stability. The pads are thick enough to be comfortable on your back during hyperextensions and Roman chair work, which is where cheap benches usually fail. Multiple reviewers specifically mention the weld quality and gauge of the metal as being above expectations at this price point. It folds up and tucks away when you're not using it. Assembly takes about 30-60 minutes depending on your comfort level with this sort of thing. All the tools you need are included. Reviewers say the instructions are clear, though a few mention that organizing your hardware before starting makes the process much smoother. Pro tip from the reviews: use your own Allen wrench set. If you have one, it goes faster. With over 10,000 reviews and a 4.4 star rating, there's a lot of signal here. The number one thing people love is the versatility. Reviews consistently say it genuinely replaces multiple pieces of equipment. The sturdiness comes up again and again, especially from people who were skeptical that a bench at this price could handle real workouts. And the comforts of the pads get specific praise for back extension and Roman chair exercises. Let's be honest about the downsides. The most common real complaint is that the seat sits low and doesn't raise to a standard seated position. If you're taller than above 5'10", some exercises feel cramped. There are scattered reports of missing hardware in the package, which is annoying, but FF Finder Form's customer service gets good marks for resolving it quickly, and this is not commercial gym equipment. It's excellent for home use, but if you're benching 300 plus pounds regularly, you might want something heavier duty. Looking at the numbers, 70% of over 10,000 reviews are 5 stars and only 4% are 1 star. Most of the 1-star reviews fall into 2 categories: missing hardware on delivery, which is fixable, and a handful of reports of metal fatigue after months of use. The metal failures are real but extremely rare relative to the volume of units sold. This is a lemon situation, not a design flaw. At $169.99, you're getting flat bench, incline bench, decline bench, back extension, Roman chair, and sit-up station, all in one piece of equipment. Buying those separately would run you $500 plus. Add in Amazon's choice status, 900 plus purchases a month, and 10,000 plus reviews, and the value case is very strong. The FF Finder for multifunctional weight bench is legit. It's the best budget multi-bench for home gyms we've seen. If you're building a home gym and want maximum versatility without maximum spending, this deserves a spot on your shortlist. Our only caveat is for taller users. Check the dimensions and make sure the low seat height works for your routine. That's our take on the FF Finder Form Weight Bench. If this review helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more real product reviews. Drop a comment telling us what piece of home gym equipment you want us to look at next. The link to grab one is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.